Meaning of Dagwood. Dagwood. Dagwood.
Dagwood. Dagwood. Dagwood is a term that can refer to two different things. The first is a type of sandwich that consists of multiple layers of meat, cheese, and vegetables between two slices of bread. The second refers to Dagwood Bumstead, a fictional character in the comic strip Blondie. Dagwood is known for his love of sandwiches and often constructs elaborate ones using various ingredients. Overall, Dagwood can either describe a specific type of sandwich or be used to reference a quirky and beloved comic character known for his sandwich-making skills.